I'm incredibly excited to welcome you to our inaugural Campfire event here in London. It's great to see so many people coming and attending the event.
We're really excited to be bringing together some of the most innovative and successful deal makers on the continent here. We're going to do everything in our power to continue investing in the experience of being an Affinity customer and building with you the company that you dream of us being.
Delighted to be here this morning with this fantastic panel.
We use actually, obviously Affinity for making sure that the collective intelligence of our company is loaded in one central point.
So encouraging collaboration among your teams and having the right amount of visibility across your teams, it's really important to be on top of every task.
There's various options kind of built into Affinity out of the box with our native integrations.
You can't just hire one data scientist and say, go fix the data and deliver it to me in a nice, beautiful package. It doesn't work.
So we're here on this founders panel to talk about raising in this market and what it might mean to be a founder in 2023.
And I would say there's essentially two things, or two ways that we're looking at the adaptation that we have to implement.
You're really betting on the future. You're betting on the founder and their ability to deliver and execute.
I'm really excited to chat with Sven and actually get much more detail about how he's done some amazing things with not only Affinity, but his entire tech stack.
I think most of the simple things we have solved with recession, but also with full employment, with high interest rates, it's a very complex environment.
Thanks again for joining us here today for our inaugural event in Europe, in London. We're so excited to have you here, and even more excited for you to join this session.
We saw the opportunity to get a competitive edge by using this data.
I'm Andy Bryson, the SVP of Product here at Affinity. I'm going to take the moment to sort of walk through what we do with the product and how we're trying to solve your problems.
Salesforce and Affinity coexist.
But with that, I'd like to close our conference, and again, thank you one more time for attending. Thank you.